volume of 25 liters. So what's 25 times the 290.5? Hold on, what'd you say?
7,264.95.
7 what? 7,200.
264.95.
All right, you should put the 0 in there.
Same thing with the other one.
Same thing with the other one, put the 0 in there. She wants it to 3.
950?
So, yeah, 150.
Okay.
All right? All right, so for the volume in liters total, what are you going to add?
The volume in liters of the intracellular
And
and the atom?
You add them, because it's total. So this is the total amount that you have extracellularly and intracellularly. So what is that value?
40.
40. All right, so concentration in milliosmoles?
Same.
Same. All right. So what is the total?
11,623.920.
Yeah. All right. Everybody see how we got that? Basically, you're multiplying volume times concentration to get total milliosmoles.
I'm missing the 6.
Where am I?
11,623.920.
11,623.
622. All right. Okay. So this is pretty much using this 290.598. So that's why this one is really critical. So the first time you calculate your osmolarity, it's going to go into 3 different boxes, which means you have 3 different chances of getting that wrong. For solution added, how much did we drink?
0.3 liters.
0.3 liters. What is the concentration of sodium chloride in water?
Should be 0.
0. Okay. So given that, what is the total milliosmoles? 0. Everybody see what we're getting 0?
Where did you get
Hmm?
that? Where did you get that?
Well, in order to get total milliosmoles, it's volume times concentration. It's 3.3 times 0 is 0.
But where did you get that?
The 0 came from the fact that there is no sodium chloride in pure water, because you're looking at water. So intracellularly, what is it?
The same?
0, 0, 0, 0. So if you guys get this wrong, I know you weren't paying attention. This is the easiest row that you're going to ever do. Right? What about volume in liters?
0.3.
So for this one, concentration would come from nowhere, so that's going to be 0, right? which means total milliosmoles, again, 0. Does that make sense? Okay, you're using water. You don't measure water, you measure the sodium chloride, so there's no sodium chloride in water. Now, this part is after it's gone into your body, or actually instantaneous effect is after it's gone into your body, but it hasn't reached equilibrium yet. All right. So, how many volumes do you now have after you drank 0.3 liters? 15.3. What's the concentration?
284.9.
It's what you began with, okay? Because you didn't change it here.
It's 290.
What about the total? Did it change? So what's 15.3 times 290.59?
4,446.
So 4,400
46.
point.
1,4. Oh, it's 1,494. So would it be 150?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Give me just the number.
0.1494. 4,446. I'm giving you the last ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, give me the whole thing. When you start in the middle, it does me no good.
Wait, for the, instantaneous effect, concentration, why is that the same?
Should be different.
Which one?
In the,
Number 18, box 18.
in her example,
It should, I changed it just now, for you to change it, but that's not right. It should be, because you should be dividing this number by this number, which is
Right.
now larger.
Oh, it's now larger.
So now it's gonna give you a different.
So what's the number?
For number,
Yep.
box
So
18.
number 18.
I got 284.90. But that's after you add box 10 and 2, right? And then you divide by
Mhm.
17.
So you're gonna add these two, so 10.
Right? I don't know.
Where are you? 10?
I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, she's right. So she's looking at the total, if you
Yeah,
look at
10
the total
and 2.
milliosmoles, you add 10 and 2 to get 19, to box 19.
You get box 19.
And
but
then you
it's-
divide
and then you
19 by
divide
box
by-
And then you
17.
divide by 15.3,
Right,
right?
yeah, so
So what was that value? 2?
84.901.
Okay. Because you've changed the volume. So in
So you
order to
divide
get
2 and 10.
um,
Is it?
the milliosmoles, what you're going to do is volume times concentration
and
equals
divide
total.
19
Your
by
concentration
17.
equals total divided by volume.
Um,
Write that down somewhere.
yeah, but like what total do you use?
You use the total. Total is total milliosmoles.
So number 2.
Right, number 2.
Plus number 10.
Plus number 10. Plus number 10, because now you've ingested, except that in osmoles, because it's water, it does not contain sodium chloride. If this were looking at sodium chloride, then you'd be adding these two together and you'd get a totally different number. But since it's water, it's 0. That won't be true for the rest of them. Everybody get that point? Okay, no. What about 40 cellular? So you're gonna bring down the 25, right? You've ingested. What about total?
It's not gonna change,
Not gonna change.
it never changes.
Well,
Is that what
I
this
think that's a
is?
little bit at one point.
Well, yeah,
Not by
in this
much.
particular instance.
So for using this is
Yeah, because you're not adding any additional milliosmoles, it's just zeros across, you're just gonna carry that number all the way down. And then some of the other problems, when we have an increase in milliosmoles.
Given that, now what is your concentration in milliosmoles? Should be the same, right? Because you've added nothing, yeah.
for minus 2, it will be 4,000.
Yeah, it's 4,358.97.
4,000, oh,
Just type it. Studies and typing settings.
sideways, 9,7?
Yeah, same as that box 2 there.
All right, for this one, what do you get? Should be the same number, right?
Right.
This is only true for water. Alright, so once you get to here, it gets a little more tricky. What you generally like to do is just to bring down the total. These here. So this is 40.3 now. And this remains the same because you've added nothing. Alright. The last row is where things start to change a little bit. The total milliosmoles after equilibrium is the same. It's going to change. And the total volume in liters remains the same. What you didn't calculate though is concentrate or the milliosmoles. So what is that?
288.435.
And you said 200 and
88.
point,
435.
all right? This concentration is going to stay the same for 32, 29, and 26. Anybody know why? Don't really need to know, but. Basically it has to do with equilibrium. Means your all fluid compartments should be the same. Alright, so for total milliosmoles, this number doesn't change because you've added nothing to it anywhere. So. Now that you have that, you can calculate the volume. So what is the volume?
Shouldn't box 22 have
Wait a minute, this is this one. Should be this one.